Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, check it out. I wanted to share with you my hydroponic method of growing root vegetables. It's been working really, really well. As you can tell here, this thing is just absolutely lavish, absolutely lush. I showed you how to build it in my last video, and now I want to share with you some of the harvests that we've already had this season, okay? First thing I want to share about is radishes. Radishes did awesome in this system. All right, in my soil garden, the radishes struggled a little bit. Sometimes they didn't radish, and sometimes they went to seed. They bolted. But in this hydroponic system, the radishes did great. I had some huge radishes and they came out awesome. I was using French breakfast radishes, which is a mild radish, and they grow real well in densely packed areas. So I really like those a lot. We also harvested the leaves, as you can see here. And radish leaves are really good. If you've never had them, they're really good in soups and in stir fries. So we had a real nice harvest. This is just part of it coming out of the hydroponic system. There's more in there that I haven't harvested yet, but I just wanted to share what it looked like with how nice these are coming out. And some of these are absolutely huge. Look at the size on this one in the middle. It is a monster one, and it came out really, really nice. So I was super pleased with the radishes. Great way to go with this hydroponic system, and I can highly recommend it, saying that I had really good success. I'm going to be using it much, much more in the future. All right, guys, let's see how this tastes. This is awesome. That radish was huge. That's good stuff, baby. Check out my site. All right, another huge success was turnips, okay? If you've never had turnips, they're really good. You can eat the greens and you can eat the turnip root. They're basically a cross. They taste a lot like a cross between a radish and a cabbage, okay? They're really good. Just mild, kind of little tiny bit of spice, but they're really, really good. You can tell they did awesome here. And they grow well packed together as well, as you can see here. So we had a huge success with the turnips as well. We've already harvested several of those. There's still a few of them in the ground yet, but man, I've been pleased. I've been eating these already. Yeah, they're good just cut up like this raw, or they're also good. You can roast them just like potatoes, and you make like turnip fries. They're really, really good. So as you can see here, it's just got a texture like a potato, and it's got the flavor of like a cabbage and a radish together. So I really, really like them. And turnips came out really well. Great to use in this system. Another great root vegetable you can do with this hydroponic system. So I highly recommend it. Okay, and here's a look at my second harvest of peas. As most gardeners will tell you, most peas get eaten out in the garden almost every day for the last couple of weeks. I've been feasting on these things while I'm out there gardening. So I love the snap peas, the sugar snap peas. They're really, really good. And the snow peas as well. And yeah, they just grew really, really well in this system. I know they're not a root vegetable, but they are a cold season vegetable, and they grow well with all the others, and they work awesome in this system. And still in the ground are some carrots, but they're doing really, really well. We haven't harvested them yet, but they're just getting to where we're going to have to start separating them soon and thinning them out. But they're doing excellent, just like all the other stuff. So carrots are definitely a win in this system as well. So you've got radishes, you've got peas, you've got turnips and carrots, all highly successful in this tiny little system. We had a really nice harvest, and I just think it's a really good way to go. I show you how to build it up on my last video. I'll leave a link down in the description. It's a really easy thing to do, and it's given me really, really good results this year. So I just wanted to share it with everyone. I had just nothing but success on everything we put in this garden, and I'm going to be expanding it for the fall season for sure. So I just wanted to pass on what the harvest was looking like and how well this was working. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and yeah, I highly recommend you use this method, and you can just grow an awesome, awesome, lavish crops with a very small space and very small maintenance. So I really like the system. It's just basically a combination of the downspouts with the soil on top. So it's a soil hybrid hydroponic system, and it's just worked awesome. So I wanted to share the harvest with you. That's what we got for today. Lots of videos coming up soon. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. This is Troy Time. Thanks for being here. I'm out.